My Huawei fans and my team, I have bring some new tricks about Google Mobile Services, how you can install it on your Huawei phone. So let me give just 15 second to so I can speak Hindi / Urdu language to my viewers. देखो यार, आपके फ़ोन में इंस्टॉल हो जाएगी। जो जो चीज़ें मैं कर रहा हूँ वो आप ट्राई करो। अब एक टाइम पे मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों बोलूँ तो किसी को समझ नहीं आनी, तो मैं जो है ना सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करूँगा इस वीडियो के अंदर। App we are using for installing Google Mobile Services, it has some drawbacks I will tell you in this video, so watch it till the end and let's begin. So first of all, you need to install Vimos Pro app, which you have to search on your browser, and you have to download it from the www.vimos.com, and here is a white option. Press it and downloading will be started. So this is basically a virtual Android emulator which is available on Android. If we wanna play Play Store services or something on Windows, we have to install emulator. This is similar to those. So I have already installed it. It has a size of up to 393 MBs, and I have already installed it, so you can also install it simply. And I have opened it and swipe up, and then next. Simply you have to give now permissions to it, and you can also use APKs in this virtual emulator app. So give it permissions and press on allow, start. So if you want to use Google apps, you have to install inside this Vimos app, and if you wanna play games which doesn't work on Google, you can install it in your Android 10 system. And inside this emulator, here is Android 7.1 version, Nougat version is available. So simply go to VM settings, press Google services, turn on and start confirm. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to be completed, depend on your internet connection. So after this step is completed, you have to restart this app to use this Google Play Store app. So it will take some time. Press on complete button available here, and press on virtual keys. If you tap it, it will avail you some recent back button on the Vimos app. So yes, I have already clicked it, virtual keys, and press on background active button. So if you press it, it will also run in the background. So I have gone to the settings. Here you can see it has Android 7 installed, Nougat version. So I have restarted this app and press on start. It will take little bit 1 or 2 minutes to be started. Please don't skip any single part of this video so you can not encounter any bugs. So open Play Store, and now we have to install some Uber or any Google apps you want to use. So simply it's still, I am saying you don't skip any single part because I have encountered a biggest bug inside this app. So yes, open the Play Store, simply click on sign in, and just sign in your account, email, password, etc, etc. So you can also create your Google account inside this if you don't have. So I have clicked on the sign in and pressed on agree, and here you can see Play Store is perfectly running. Please like the video, and now I'm gonna install YouTube first. You can use any Google app or any Play Store app you want to use. And interestingly, this keyboard has a lot of things about Android 7. Here you can see the keyboard I am typing with is an Android 7 based, and now you can install Uber, Kareem, everything you want to use you can install it. Google LLC, tap on it and you can find the tons of apps of Google, and you can also use it on your Huawei device. So here is the Play Store, and from the file manager you can also install APK files. I have installed some of them, and here is the DAW recorder. I have pressed it and simply it's now installing. Here you can see it's installing, and I'm opening it to show you it's perfectly working. So it's perfectly works like an emulator on your Android device, and this is very working method for your Google Mobile Services to be worked on Huawei phones. So this can be available on any Huawei phone, Mate 40 Pro, Y6P, Y7P, any phone you have, you can install it very easily. So yes, I have installed it because and press the home button so you can be available here. So if you press on shutdown, it takes a lot of time. So basically this is an emulator, open it, and now it's running and YouTube is gonna download. Let's see what we can install other things here. Here is the button of shutdown. If you press it, you will found biggest bug ever possible, but maybe your phone encountered it or not, but my phone got stuck when I pressed that shutdown button. So this blue button is basically for the functions. You can minimize you can go back, and if you want to install some games with OBB files, you can also do this too by going to file manager and press on import, and you can also import tons of files. So I have pressed on home button and file transfer. I want to import, press on it and go to media file, go to upper one. It will open your internal storage, and here's inside Android OBB. You can follow your files and you can copy paste here. Very easy work. So you can also do third-party installation inside this emulator. So our YouTube has been installed. Simply open it, and here I will gonna show you how YouTube works inside this app. Uber is also installing. I have cancelled it, and let's open YouTube and see what's gonna happen. I am cancelling Chrome. So everything is working perfectly fine inside this app, but I have found a bug which is very dangerous. So here you can search my channel name Mr. Dhamakedar, and please subscribe to it, hit the bell icon, and I will gonna upload Huawei videos every day. Subscribe, bell icon all, so you can never miss a notification. So here are some things are downloading, but I have pressed on shutdown. So you never have to do it while you download any app, and if you shut down, it will gonna crash this app. So I have tried to restart my device. I have tried a lot of things, but this bug's not gonna stopping here. So this is basically my Galaxy S7 phone, but you can install it on any Huawei phone. My friends have tested on Huawei and it's perfectly working, but this bug is only available to me, not available on the Huawei phones which my friends have tested. So I have restarted my phone, and I have given a rating to the Vimos Pro Play Store app. So give them rating, they will reply within 2 or 3 days. But if you encounter any bug, you have to wait for the app update and try reinstalling again this app. So I hope it will be fixed out. So please consider subscribing, and now I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.